हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन। सो इन दिस इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है, फाइंड द क्वांटम नंबर n corresponding to the excited state of He plus ion if on transition to the ground state that ion emits two photons in succession with wavelengths 108.5 and 30.4 नैनोमीटर। तो चलिए सबसे पहले देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है। सो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम। व्हाई हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम? बिकॉज हीलियम प्लस इज ए स्पीसीज लाइक हाइड्रोजन। तो अभी देखिए हमको यहाँ पे टू लैम्डास गिवन है, दैट इज लैम्डा वन, दैट इज 108.5 नैनोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 108.5 इंटू 10 to the power -7 सेंटीमीटर, and lambda 2 is given as 30.4 nanometer, that is 30.4 into 10 to the power -7 centimeter. Now see, in this question it is mentioned that the transition to the ground state, that ion emits two photons in succession, that means two successive photons, and we have to find out the quantum number n. So let us assume the helium plus was at n2, and at first the electron falls from n2 to n1, and then n1 to ground state. And for these two transitions the corresponding wavelengths are, for n1 to ground state we have lambda is equal to lambda 2, and for n2 to n1 we will have lambda is equal to lambda 1. Now let's solve the question. So for the first transition, that is n1 to ground state, that is n is equal to 1, we have 1 by lambda 2 is equal to RH into 1 minus 1 by n square, or that will be 1 by 30.4 into 10 to the power -7 centimeter is equal to 109,678 centimeter inverse into 1 minus 1 by n1 square, and by calculation you will get n1 is equal to 2. Now for n2 to n1, and that is equal to 2, we have 1 by lambda 1 is equal to RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, or that will be 1 by lambda 1 is 108.5 into 10 to the power -7 centimeter. Rydberg constant will be 109,678 centimeter inverse into 1 by 4 minus 1 by n2 square, and by calculation you will get n2 is equal to 5. Hence the excited state of helium plus ion is n is equal to 5, and this is your final answer. I hope you get this one. Best of luck.